You've probably seen gradients, flow gradient, or animated gradients on websites, and you're wondering how these guys do this in Figma. So in this video, I'll be sharing how you can design and animate or add micro interactions to your gradient.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
For design. So the first thing you do is you create the frame. So I'm trying to use Android Large. And then you draw a circle, and then I use shortcut O to create a circle or an ellipse. And then I name the circle 1, or whichever name you want to give it. Then I add colors. And then I choose an effect, which is the layer blur. Now I don't want something too much or too little. I want you to be able to still see it, but not too much. So I want something that is not too low or too visible, just want it right in the middle. So now you duplicate the circle. You can add as many circles as you want. Now that's too much, too big. As you can see, I still want it to be in the middle. Not too much, not too small. Now I change the color of the other circle. So now you can see, not too much, not too small, like the visibility. Now what I do next is I remove the background of the frame. So that way it makes it look transparent. So if I place it on any surface, you can still see the colors of the blur. Then what I do now is make it a component, and then I create a variant of that component. Now you can freely move the circle. Now move the circle around and play around with the circle, like any direction you want the motion to go in or the animation to go in. So that's what I'm doing now. And then you can add as many variants as you want. Now it depends on what you want. And you can also decide to change the colors in the circle to give it more spice, or increase the size of the circles. And the reason why I'm moving the circles around is so that when you animate it, to give you that animation of moving the circle inside. Now, this is the fun part where you actually now prototype it, now animate it in the frame. So you click on prototype and then you start drawing it. And you link it. Link the first one to the second one, and then you use the trigger should be after delay. And then the delay should be like 1 millisecond, so it starts immediately. And then you use that as smart animate. And then you use linear, so it's smooth, it's just one, there's no bounce, and you can preview the effects there. Then this is the duration of the animation. You can make any number you want to make it, depends on what you want. So that's 2000 milliseconds and that's 2 seconds. So I'm using the same thing for everything. So after delay, so it picks up immediately down when it's done. I use 1 millisecond, so it's fast. Same thing for everything. And then you take it to the beginning, so it loops and like continues to infinity. And then you make that trigger after delay and 1 millisecond. Now what you now do is now take an instance, create another frame, and now take an instance from the components and now paste it on the frame you want to use. Now you can use this for other types of frames. You can use it for desktop websites and things like that. Now I'm just using this as an example because it's a mobile app design, mobile website design. Then you now check this in the prototype, make the floater starting point, and then this in prototype. Now you can see this is how it looks like. Now, it's very, very easy to do. It doesn't take, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes. Now, like I said earlier, the speed is determined by this. So you can tweak the speed. You can make it fast, you can make it slow, depends on what you want. Exactly.
So with this video here, I hope you are now able to design flow gradients and also animate those gradients. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you very much. Till next time.